Right, I'm back. Today I am building the new Speed Champion, one of the new Speed Champions. This is 77263, the BMW M3. This is 358 pieces. I'm actually quite looking forward to this one. So let's have a look, see what's in the box. We have 6 bags. Maybe 7 bags. 6 bags. And that little bit manual, and we've got some pain in the arse stickers. Right, okay, right, let's see how long it takes me, and I'll be back soon. I'm back. That's it, finished. That took me 47.5 minutes, and I like that. I really like that. Yeah, it's good that they made some, gone back, a bit retro, old. Is that 80s? That's got to be 80s. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, like that. Well, all done. I've got the other new set that's just come out, so yeah, that's good. Well, I'll get on with that, and I will see you soon.